here at Karandikunj, Delhi to show you the river Yamuna. Now the river Yamuna was said to be one of the most hygienic and clean water bodies. 20 years back people would drink water from it as it was so clean. But today I am here to show you the actual state it is in 20 years later. As you can see, the river is filled with fog rather than is filled with water. Dirty fog. People over there are taking bath in that dirty fog area, which is making the river more polluted. Now I would like to show you around. I would like to show you the ground that is surrounding the river Yamuna. The ground has all sorts of garbages loitered around. Not even religious dhagas are spared. From alcohol bottles to religious stuff, everything is loitered around the ground and people are taking shower right over there.
एक प्रमुख नदी है, साथ ही साथ सबसे ज़्यादा प्रदूषित नदियों में से एक है. उसकी स्थिति बहुत ही भयावह है. अगर आप देखें तो बहुत जगहों पे फ्रॉथ फोम, काला पानी जो है यमुना में मिलता है. 22 किलोमीटर का जो स्ट्रेच है यमुना का जो दिल्ली में आता है, लगभग 80% यमुना का प्रदूषण जो है इसी 22 किलोमीटर में आता है. एक भयावह स्थिति है. पिछले 20 वर्षों से 20-25 वर्षों से हमने देखा है कि स्थिति बद से बदतर होती जा रही है. तो रिवर की जो अपना अस्तित्व है, बोथ इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्वालिटी और क्वांटिटी, वो गायब होता जा रहा है.
Apart from people, the toxic variants released by factories are also contributing to this pollution. During the COVID-induced lockdown, due to shutdown of factories, the Yamuna water had cleared up to a great extent. If the lost glory of river Yamuna has to be restored, the suggestions given by environmentalists cannot be ignored.